Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 3. Dear students, wishing you a happy Ramadan. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless your path with knowledge and light that will help you to enlighten your heart. Ameen. Moving towards the areas which we are going to cover today. The first one area is capacity, liters and milliliters and its conversion. Our second area, weight in kilograms and grams and conversion. At the end, we are having addition and subtraction of weight. Our learning outcomes for this session: to convert between different units of measure, for example, kilograms to grams, liters to milliliters, and addition and subtraction of weight. Dear students, now it's time to focus on our today area, its capacity. Students, what do you think? What is capacity? So, capacity means the amount that a container will hold. We measure capacity in lots of different ways. We are using cups, liters, pints. The standard way to measure capacity is in liters. We measure capacity in liters and milliliters. Remember children, there are 1000 milliliter in a liter. It means 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Dear students, let's talk about milliliters. When we collect 20 drops of water, we have about 1 milliliter. So 20 drops of water make about 1 milliliter, and a teaspoon of liquid is about 5 milliliter. A milliliter is a very small amount of liquid. Here is a milliliter of a milk. In a teaspoon, it only fills the bottom of a teaspoon. The word milliliter literally means 1000 milli of a liter. Milliliters are often written as ml, so 100 ml means 100 milliliters. They can also be written ml with a capital L, so it doesn't look like 1. Here we have 150 ml of milk in a measuring cup. It doesn't say 150. It says 50, but it is halfway between 100 and 200. So we can figure out it's 150 ml. Look at this jug, dear students. This jug measures liquids in pints and liters. These lines and numbers tell us how many milliliters of a liquid are in the jug. The scale is going up in 50s. When the liquid gets to here, there is 1 liter in the jug. Let's move towards conversion. Converting between liters and milliliters. Dear student, how do we convert from liters to milliliters? So it's quite easy, as we know that there are 1000 ml in 1 liter. So just we have to multiply by 1000. When you want to convert from liters to milliliters, so we have to multiply by 1000. And in case we have to convert from milliliter to liters, what we have to do? We have to divide by 1000. Why we are using again and again 1000? Because we know that there are 1000 milliliters in a liter. So here is a key. When we want to convert liter into milliliter, we have to multiply by 1000, or when we want to convert milliliter into liter, we have to divide by 1000. Now let's see here. Convert this measurement from liters to milliliter and milliliter to liters. I am having here 8 liters. And in the same way, I am having different units. Let's convert. Yes, this is the way. Now let's try another way of conversion.
Write the volume of water in litres and millilitres. The fish bowl contains 3,125 millilitres of water. We can rewrite 3,125 millilitres as 3,000 millilitres plus 125 millilitres. 1,000 millilitres is equal to 1 litre, so 3,000 millilitres is equal to 3 litres. So the volume of water is 3 litres, 125 millilitres. Write the volume of water in litres and millilitres. The bucket contains 7,833 millilitres of water. We can rewrite 7,833 millilitres as 7,000 millilitres plus 833 millilitres. 7,000 millilitres is equal to 7 litres, so the volume of water is 7 litres, 833 millilitres. Convert the volumes to litres and millilitres. We can rewrite 15,440 millilitres as 15,000 millilitres plus 440 millilitres. 15,000 millilitres is equal to 15 litres, so the volume is 15 litres, 440 millilitres. We can rewrite 3,060 millilitres as 3,000 millilitres plus 60 millilitres. 3,000 millilitres is equal to 3 litres, so the volume is 3 litres, 60 millilitres.
Let's move towards our second area, its weight. But before that, dear children, do you know how do we weigh things in our olden days? In olden days, people used imperial measurement. Like if they want to weigh a sack of grain, they use in this way like 12 stones. It's equal to 12 stones. Or a bag of sugar weighs 2 pounds. Or an apple weighs about 4 ounces. Children, let's talk about what do we use to measure weights nowadays. So nowadays we are using grams and kilograms to weigh objects. Grams. 1 gram is about the weight of 1 skittle sweet. Instead of writing grams, we often just write G. And kilogram. 1 kilogram is about the weight of a large dictionary. We write kg for kilograms. How many grams are in a kilogram? So dear students, there are 1000 grams in 1 kilogram. So 1 kilogram is equal 1000 gram. So half kg is equal 500 grams and 1/4 kg in the same way it's equal 250 grams. Half kg we can write in the both way half kg or 500 grams. So 1/4 kg in the same way we can write like 250 grams. Let's move towards conversion. So dear students, we can see there are different ways to write or convert in grams and kilograms. I am having here different weights. So like the first one I am having 1000 135 grams. So this is the one way to write the weight in grams, and in this way we can separate the kilograms and grams. Like we are having 1000 gram, we know that 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. So we make it separate, the 1000 digit, and the remaining is our grams. Here is another way. With the decimal point, we can separate the grams and kilograms. Let's try another way.
A pineapple has a mass of 2.12 kilograms. Find the mass in grams. We know that in 1 kilogram there are 1000 grams. To find the mass in grams, we need to multiply 2.12 by 1000. Recall that we can multiply by 1000 by shifting the decimal point 3 places to the right. (2.12 times 1000 equals 2120. So 2.12 kilograms equals 2120 grams. The pineapple has a mass of 2120 grams. Convert the masses to grams. A. 3.07 kilograms. We need to multiply by 1000. Let's do this by shifting the decimal point 3 places to the right. 3.07 kilograms equals 3070 grams. B. 0.5 kilograms. Shifting the decimal point 3 places to the right gives us 500. So 0.5 kilograms equals 500 grams. A squirrel has a mass of 365 grams. Find the mass in kilograms. We know that in 1 kilogram there are 1000 grams. To find the mass in kilograms, we need to divide 365 by 1000. Recall that we can divide by 1000 by shifting the decimal point 3 places to the left. (365 divide 1000 equals 0.365. So 365 grams equals 0.365 kilograms. The squirrel has a mass of 0.365 kilograms. Convert the masses to kilograms. A. 1600 grams. We need to divide by 1000. Let's do this by shifting the decimal point 3 places to the left. 1600 grams equals 1.6 kilograms. B. 77 grams. Shifting the decimal point 3 places to the left gives us 0.077. So 77 grams equals 0.077 kilograms.
Addition and subtraction of weight. Let's subtract. Dear children, let's see how to subtract kilograms and grams. We subtract measurement of the weight as we subtract ordinary numbers. First we arrange the given weight in the columns of kg and gram. Write the digits accordingly and subtract. Units should be carried along with the answer. So here is the example. So here is our question. We have to subtract 42 kg 61 grams from 96 kg and 183 grams. So the first thing children, what we have to do? We have to mention kg and gram, and then we have to write our weight. Remember children, we are going for subtraction. So the greater number or the greater weight should be up. So we will write first 96 kg and 183 gram, and the other weight then we will write, and then we will go for our subtraction, the way we usually used to do. So here is our answer. So our answer is 54 kg 122 grams. Let's move towards addition. So here is our example. We have to add 600 grams and 1 kg 300 grams. So this is the way. First we mention our kg and grams. Then we write our weights. So we are having 1 kg and 300 gram, and we have to add in that 900 gram. So we will go for addition. When we add 300 and 900, we got 1200 gram, and on the other hand we are having 1 kg. Dear students, does it sound nice? 1200 gram? No. So what we have to do? As we know that 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. So we will take out that 1000 gram from gram and we will give it to kilogram. Let's start. So 1000 I am going to subtract from grams, and that 1000 in the form of kg I am giving to kilograms. So this is the way to do. Our answer is now 2 kg and 200 gram. Dear students, now it's time to hands on our worksheet. So move towards question number 1. Our question number 1 is, which jug contains more water, A or B? So observe both jugs carefully and circle the correct one which has more water. Question number 2. The conversion table shows the relationship between liters and milliliters. You can see here the table. What number should be placed in the blank space on the table? As we can see, we are having blank space. So find out that. Question number 3. Which of these has a capacity of about 10 ml, 10 milliliter, a bottle, a small spoon, a coffee mug, or a large bucket of water? Question number 4. Which is same as 3 liter? So, in 3 liter, how many mLs are there? Find out and circle that. It's already mentioned here. Just you have to choose it. Question number 5. Which is the most appropriate tool to measure 1000 ml of milk? 1000 ml of milk mean 1 liter of milk. So which tool is most appropriate? Just find out that. Question number 6. Which is the most appropriate tool to measure 3 kg of oranges? So to measure the oranges, which tool we have to use? Find out that. Question number 7. We have to write true or false. A. Liter is an appropriate unit to measure a teaspoon of a cough syrup. Is it true or false? You have to mention here. B. ml, milliliter, is an appropriate unit to measure the capacity of a petrol tank in a car. C. Milliliter is an appropriate unit to measure the amount of juice in a glass. D. Liter is an appropriate unit to measure the amount of water in a water tank. So just find out, is it true or false? Question number 8. Mehmeen buys a container of milk at the store. Here is a container. Which is the closest to the volume of the milk Mehmeen's bought? So it's here. Just find out. Question number 9. Which unit should you use to measure the weight of a horse? So remember that For lighter things or for heavier things, which unit we are using? Just find out that. Question number 10. Which unit should be used to report the volume of a container? Liters or gram? Find out. Question number 11. During his hike, Mutahid drank 1 liter of water and 1 liter of sports drink. How many milliliters of liquid did he drink in all? Add and find out. Question number 12. Which is the better estimate for the mass of a slice of pie? It's here. Find out. Number 13. Which is the best estimate for the volume of the bottle? Here is a bottle. Just find out. Question number 14. Which of the following holds about 2 liters of water? Bathtub, a drinking glass, a pitcher, or eyedropper? Number 15. Azan records the mass of a whole egg as 35 grams. Then he cracks the egg. He breaks the egg. The shell has a mass of 2 grams. What is the mass of the rest of the egg? Calculate and find out. Thank you. Have a nice day.